this video, we will learn the introduction of entrepreneurship.
Here are the questions that you might ask yourself. Can I be an entrepreneur? Do I want to become an entrepreneur? Why do I want to be an entrepreneur?
The word entrepreneur is derived from the French word entreprendre, which means to undertake. This refers to those who undertake the risk of new enterprises. What is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is a system of operating a business in which opportunities within the scope of the market are exploited. A potential entrepreneur should show the interest to seek out investment opportunities in the market, so that they can run the enterprise successfully based on the identifiable opportunities. A field of business that seeks to understand how opportunities to create something new, like new products or services, new markets, new packaging, new raw materials, or new ways of organizing existing technologies arise and are discovered or created by specific persons, who then use various means to exploit or develop them, thus producing a wide range of effects. What are entrepreneurs? Entrepreneurs are business people who can detect and sense the availability of business opportunities in any given scenario. Utilize the opportunities to create new products by employing new production methods in different markets. They are individuals or groups of individuals who carry out entrepreneurship activities that are based on their innovative approaches to solving real-world problems. In fact, innovation is the lifeblood of any kind of entrepreneurs. This is one of the tools that helps them gain an advantage over established players in the market.